Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for February 24 to March 2, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see Cancer. What's up? What's up? Magic. Wow. You're into magic. You are into manifestation. Yung iba sa inyo, you are practicing different forms of divination like tarot reading, astrology, witchcraft, law of attraction. You're manifesting something, Cancer. Ano tong minamanifest ninyo? 8th house. This is transformation. So, maaring meron kang minamanifest na pagbabago sa buhay mo, especially in your finances. Maaring you are also manifesting a partner sa buhay mo na alam mong maaasahan mo siya. Okay. You have home. Nest. So, some of you, maaring you are manifesting a new house. Bahay. Or meron kang minamanifest na changes sa bahay mo. Renovation. Some of you, maaring papasok kayo sa isang commitment sa relationship na yung tipong magsasama na kayo ng person mo. Whether ikakasal kayo or you just decided na magsama na. You also have desert, which is being resilient. Yung iba sa inyo, kahit may challenge, kayang-kaya nyong malusutan. No? You are. Nasabihin ko sana you have. Tapos biglang are. You are. Okay. You have adaptability skills, no? So, kayang-kaya mong mag-adapt sa paligid mo. Kung ano yung pangangailangan mo, kaya mong i-provide para sa sarili mo. So, kaya malakas ka. Any change, you can overcome. Any challenge, you can overcome. Overall energy, the 5 of Cups. Some of you may losses, okay? Maaring meron ditong nawala sa buhay ninyo or maaring regrets or meron kayong na-miss out na opportunity. Pero, kahit naman na-miss out mo yan, it doesn't mean na wala nang darating pa. Actually, merong ibang opportunity for you, hindi mo lang napapansin. Kasi naka-focus ka dun sa nawala. Pwedeng mag-apply yan kahit sa relationship or sa career or opportunity para sa'yo. Na meron kang gusto, tapos hindi mo nakuha, pero meron pa palang mas maganda na nakalaan para sa'yo. Your challenge is the 2 of Cups. O some of you, maaring may challenging situation sa relationship. Maaring personal relationship sa bahay, family member, or merong kayong merong malapit sa inyo na hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan o nagkakasundo sa isang bagay. Kaya challenge yan sa inyo. Your opportunity is the Queen of Cups. You have the opportunity to take care of yourself. You have the opportunity to focus on your goals, to focus on your desires. I also see you na magkakaroon ka ng opportunity na makausap ang isang tao na gusto mong kausapin, na matagal mo nang iniiwasan na kausapin. For some reasons, pwedeng hindi ka pa ready that time, but I think ngayon, kung talagang gusto mo ng peace of mind, so maaring kakausapin mo na tong taong to. Your blessing is the Ace of Pentacles. So as a blessing, may new beginnings for your career, business, sa iyong investments. Pwedeng may bagong trabaho for some of you, yung iba naman bagong business, or meron kang bagong perspective pagdating sa pera. So, yung iba sa inyo, mas magiging masinop sa pera. Yung hindi na kayo gastos ng gastos. Gentleman. Yung iba sa inyo, you are dealing with a gentleman or a person na masculine energy. Oh, okay. Okay. Cancer. Parang parang binuo niya yung puzzle. So, ang nakikita ko rito is maaring you are going through a challenging experience with a romantic partner. Na ngayon nagpapakatatag ka. And actually, malalagpasan mo naman to. Kasi meron sa yung blessings of new beginnings, new opportunities eh. Oh my God, snake. Oh, may fox na may snake pa. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring nagkaroon ng trust issues, betrayal. Someone might betray you, can be a romantic partner or someone na close sa'yo, family member, friend. This is something na kailangan mo talagang harapin. Kasi pag iniwasan mo yan, parang hindi mo siya mariresolve or hindi mo siya ma-overcome. Sa money, career, finances, meron kang leadership role. May upgrade sa yung career or sa business mo. Yung iba, pwedeng kayo ay magiging manager, supervisor, person of authority. You're going to be a leader. Okay, and then your love life. Oh, okay. Mayroong potential. Some of you, if you are connecting with someone na bago pa lang, may potential itong relationship na to. Ayan o, nakilala mo na daw yung partner for you. Kaya lang, syempre, kung nagsisimula pa lang, kilalanin yung maigi. Oo, kasi baka meron tong mga bagay na hindi mo pa alam sa kanya na kailangan mong malaman. Love approaches unexpectedly. Merong unexpected love coming in sa inyo. Yung iba pwedeng apektado ang yung iba sa inyo rito meron ng karelasyon, tapos biglang may unexpected person na dumating sa buhay nyo. So, ayun na, medyo complicated na yan, 'di ba? Okay, so that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.